did my career research on nursing and for other careers. They're kind of similar, so there's going to be similarities in the information that I showed you. These are the 12 characteristics that I had to research. Work tasks and activities, appropriate college courses and majors, physical demands, job-related interests, required knowledge, career preparation for particular jobs, hiring practices, wages, employment outlook, advancement opportunities, and current job listings. Registered nurse is the first job that I researched. Work tasks include administering treatments or medicine, assist practitioners develop care plans and maintain medical records, and advise patients and provide direct care. Education, there's more than one pathway to becoming a registered nurse. You can get your BSN at a hospital-based school of nursing, or you can get your RN, which is an associate's degree at a community college, and then go on after that for a BSN program. They both take the NCLEX, and you could also do more advanced schooling, which is a master's or a doctorate. Some physical demands include standing, walking, sitting, lifting, carrying, pushing, and pulling. There are some that are more frequent than others. Job-related interests include social, investigative, and conventional. These are just interests that would help you out in your job as you are working. Some required knowledge that you would take during your school is medicine and dentistry, customer and personal service, psychology, English language, education and training, therapy and counseling, mathematics, biology, sociology, anthropology, computers, and electronics. There's career preparation, which all students that are registered nurses must take the NCLEX, which is a standardized testing for soon-to-be registered nurses. Some job listings. Just in Minnesota in 2012, there were 55,953 employed nurses, and by 2022, they expect to have 65,430 RNs employed. In the U.S., the average hourly wage for a registered nurse is $34.63, and in Minnesota, the average hourly wage is $34.83. I researched nurse midwives. The median salary for a nurse midwife is $88,000 a year, but the average income is $1,400 a year. Some job listings in Minnesota, they are expected to increase 28%, opening 10 jobs per year by 2022. The working conditions, 35% of nurse midwives work in hospitals, and almost 30% are employed as part of physician practice. Education, they are to graduate from a nurse midwifery program and be certified in midwife. They are required to know mostly the same as a registered nurse, such as medicine and dentistry, biology, chemistry, English language, customer and personal service, physics, mathematics, psychology, education and training, law and government, administration, and management. I also researched nurse anesthesia. Required knowledge, medicine and dentistry, biology, chemistry, English language, customer and personal service, physics, mathematics, psychology, education and training, law and government, administration and management. Education, a master's degree is required, and for more advanced, you can get your doctoral degree. Some job-related interests, investigative, realistic, and social. The wages, the median wage in 2014 was $73.93 an hour, making $153,000 annually. Some work tasks include management for patients' airway or pulmonary status, responses by using invasive and non-invasive techniques, perform pre-anesthetic screening, administer anesthetics, drugs, and other drugs. Surgical technologist is another career that I researched. Under supervision of a surgeon, registered nurse, or other surgical personnel, they are to set up operating rooms, prepare and transport patients for surgery, adjust lights and equipment, pass instruments and other supplies to surgeons, hold retractors, cut sutures, and help count sponges, needles, supplies, and instruments. Education, they are only required an associate's degree. The required knowledge for them is usually just a customer and personal service, medicine and dentistry, English language, and education and training. Some job-related interests include conventional, social, and realistic. And a median wage for surgical technologists in the U.S. is $20.84. I researched the physician assistant. Some work tasks include examine patients, diagnose injuries and illnesses, provide treatment, take medical histories, order and interpret laboratory tests and x-rays, and prescribe medications. A master's degree is required to be a physician assistant. Some required knowledge is almost the same as the others, such as medicine and dentistry, biology, psychology, English language, customer and personal service, education and training, chemistry, therapy and counseling, computers and electronics, and sociology and anthropology. Some skills include active listening, critical thinking, reading comprehension, service orientation, and speaking. Wages, a median wage for a physician assistant is $46.07 an hour, and that was in 2014.